Hi everyone, this is Romy with Vloggs. It's a new year and we got a new listing. So we are right here at the Javea Arenal. We've got a nice townhouse located at the back of the Arenal, which makes it super peaceful and quiet. It is located on a dead-end street. Let's check it out. So the communal pool is only 20 meters away from the property. We're entering through the back gate, and right here we've got a patio with a tall door that can protect you from the sun on the hotter summer days. And right here we're entering the property. We've got a large sliding door and there's just a lot of natural light coming into this property. It is all open plan. We've got a very convenient kitchen, the dining room right here and the living room, and we've got beautiful marble flooring throughout the entire property. There's ducted hot and cold air conditioning as well. Distribution wise, what do we have? We've got a guest toilet right over there. It's very easy to have. There's 4 separate levels and a solarium. On the first floor you can find 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. Upstairs you can find a very large bedroom with 2 terraces, one west facing and one east facing, plus a staircase going up to the solarium with gorgeous views over the Montgó and over the old town, and downstairs we can find a huge garage. So we end the home tour right here on the solarium with these beautiful south-facing views behind me of the Montgó and the hills in the distance. If you're watching this video and you like this townhouse, definitely get in touch with us via the contact details down below in the description. We can tell you everything about it and of course show you around. And as always, if you haven't already done it, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos.